Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to talk about the Catroot and Catroot2 folders in Windows. We'll show you where it's at real quick. Open up Explorer. Go to your local disk C, whatever you've named it. And we're going to go to Windows, System 32. Went right past it. Catroot, Catroot2. So let's talk about those folders. They contain Windows Update files, and sometimes people have trouble with Windows Updates and they find out about these folders and they want to delete them. So I'll be really clear here. I put it in bold, and this link is available here where the little I is or in the video description. If you're having problems with your Windows Update, you might be able to delete one of the folders as part of the problem solving, but let's be really careful here. If you delete the Catroot folder right here, your computer's not going to boot. You're going to have to do a Windows repair. You're going to be in trouble. If you delete Catroot2, that folder is going to be automatically created when you reboot. I spent hours doing this, intentionally deleting them right here in my virtual machine just to see Windows not boot, and I've done it over and over again. So here we go. I even put it in the tutorial in order. I put the Catroot2 folder first, and just in case you're an advanced user and you have a reason, you know what you're doing, there's the directions to delete Catroot, which is as simple as, most Windows users will know, you would click the Catroot, hit Control A, and click delete. And there's a chance your computer will boot, but you want to take that chance? Probably not worth it. Alright, so if you really got to delete the Catroot2 folder, let's get PowerShell open. Windows key plus X. Windows PowerShell as admin, click yes. We're going to put this off to the side a little bit right here. Now we're going to come back to the Catroot2 folder. We're going to press Control A, and then we're going to press delete. You might have to have administrative permissions, so you may have to click continue. If you want, you can do this for all current items. I'm not going to, just for the purpose of the video. You see the error message? Let's jump back. Or memorize this before you get rolling. Net stop CRYPTSVC. Type that in, hit enter. You'll see that stopping, and the next message will say it was stopped successfully. Jump back to Explorer. Try again. Once again, you can check this if you want. Continue. Continue. Try it again. Maybe it wasn't fast enough. Oops, not working. Say it's no longer located, so we'll skip it. Same thing. There's a couple little problems you can run into doing this. So if the file disappeared for whatever reason, as you can see, the folder is empty. So be aware of those possibilities. File's not there, continue, whatever. Close out your PowerShell, you can reboot, and that's it. And once again, remember, Catroot's as simple as easy as deleting everything. So once again, just to confirm, for you following along at home, don't delete the Catroot folder unless you know what you're doing. If you're one of those people where you reboot your computer and you end up in Windows startup repair, or it tells you you're having problems and you don't know what to do, you're done. Leave it alone. Alright, just to confirm that our method works. For a couple of people who did have problems with it, they deleted both the folders, and then they blamed me because they deleted the folders. So hence I make this video. And we're just about out of here. So it's a little tricky deleting the folder, but you can do it. You might be able to do it from safe mode as well. I haven't tried it, and Windows works just fine. So that's another possibility. I just found it easier than rather than booting into safe mode, trying it there, restarting, because sometimes system files are still locked in safe mode. Not everything is loosened up. So go this method. There you go. Whew. Bottom right hand corner, you can click subscribe over here if you like. If we helped you out, click like. Thanks for watching. As always, see ya.